Samsung has released a new software update for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to install it. Before you start, check these two things first. Make sure your phone has at least 50% battery. If not, charge the phone first. And make sure you're connected to a fast and stable internet connection. Now, let's begin. Open the Settings app. If your phone already shows a software update message at the top, you can tap that directly. If not, scroll down and tap Software Update. Your phone will begin checking for the latest update. If one is available, tap the download button to start. While it is downloading, you can also read the update details on the screen to see what's new. Once the download is complete, either tap Schedule Restart or Restart Now. Now just wait while your phone installs the update. This may take a few minutes, and your phone will automatically restart when it's done. After the restart, your Galaxy S26 Ultra will be fully updated and ready to use. Thanks for watching.